Hi everyone, my name is Jill Fox and I'm the host of the Small Business Social Show here on YouTube and also available on podcast. The Small Business Social Show is dedicated to helping you discover your own personal business model and also helping you simplify the process of creating, marketing, and growing that business. And new episodes are available every single week right here on YouTube. I am actually the owner of Fox Social Media, and I'm a very experienced social media and small business consultant. I have worked with businesses in a multitude of industries, and many of those industries are regulated fields. In addition, I started my own business from scratch and grew it to the point where it is now my full-time income and also allows me to work from anywhere. And I'm so excited to help you all do the same thing. So make sure you click the red subscribe button down below and also hit that bell icon so that you're notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any comments, questions, or any topics that you'd like me to cover, please leave me a comment below. And thank you so much for being here. I look forward to sharing this journey with you, and happy entrepreneuring.